Welcome to my channel Mathlete CBSE. Today we are going to solve exercise 2.4 of second chapter, that is linear equations in one variable. Okay, so question number 3. What does it say? It says sum of the digits of a two-digit number is 9. When we interchange the digits, it is found that the resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. What is the two-digit number? So we have to find a two-digit number here. Now I think in your previous classes you have studied that if one number is x and the other number is 9 minus x, so we cannot write it like this. Suppose the number is 47. So here it's 47 and it's not 4 and 7. So what happens here is it's 4 into 10 plus 7. This is tenths place and this is units place. So this you have to consider here in this question. 4 into 10 plus 7. So for our question, the sum of the digits is 9. So if one number is, suppose say at units place is x, then the other number at the tens place will be 9 minus x into 10. 10 is very important here, so that we don't make any mistake. Okay, so our number will be 9 minus x into 10 plus x. Now when we interchange the digit, number is greater than the original number by 27. Okay, so what we have to do is we have to interchange the digits here. That is x into 10 plus 9 minus x. Now if we interchange the digits, this 9 minus x comes on the units place and x comes on the tens place. So x into 10 plus 9 minus x. Okay. So now what is it saying? It is saying that it is greater than the original number by 27. New number is greater than the original number by 27. So we can say that 10x plus 9 minus x minus 9 minus x into 10 plus x is equal to 27. So the difference is 27. Okay. So now let's solve this equation. We'll go step by step. This 10x plus 9 minus x minus, here we'll open the brackets. It will be 90 minus 10x plus x equal to 27. Okay. So here 10x minus x will be 9x. 9x plus 9 minus, here will be 90 minus 10x plus x is minus 9x equal to 27. So here when the bracket opens, 9x plus 9 minus 90 minus minus plus, so it will be plus 9x equal to 27. So 9x plus 9x will be 18x. 18x minus 90 plus 9, it will be minus 81 equal to 27. Okay, so here 18x is equal to 27 plus 81. So that comes to 8 and 2 and 8 is 10. So 18x is equal to 108. So x will be 108 divided by 18. We can further simplify this to say 9. 9 was a 9, 9 2s are 18. Here 9 was a 9 and 9 2s are 18. So 2 1s are 2 and 2 6 are 12. So x is 6. Now here x is 6. This is not the solution. What we want is the two-digit number. So we'll not stop here. We'll go further. And so further we'll go like x is equal to 6. So the other number will be 9 minus x. So that will be 9 minus 6. So it will be 3. So my one number is 6 and the other number is 3. So my number will be what? 36. And if we interchange these numbers, then what do we get? 63. And we can check our answer here. 63 minus 36. 63 minus 36. So what do we get? 13 minus 6 is 7. And here 5 minus 3 will be 2. So 27. We have checked our answers. Our answer is correct. 63 minus 36 is 27. It is satisfying. Whatever the condition they have given. Okay. So our x is 6 and 9 minus x is 3. So our original number will be 36. Okay. I hope you understood this question very well. Now let's go to another question. Okay, now let's move to question number 6. Here it says, there is a narrow rectangular plot reserved for a school in Maholi village. The length and breadth of the plot are in the ratio 11:4. At the rate rupees 100 per meter, it will cost the village panchayat rupees 75,000 to fence the plot. What are the dimensions of the plot? Now, whenever this type of question comes, where the ratio is given, 11:4 is given here. So, we have to consider one as 4x and the other as 11x. Okay. And this dimensions are given. So, we have to find out actually the perimeter first. 2 into L plus B is the formula. So rectangular plot has a perimeter of 2 into L plus B. Here our length is 11x and breadth is 4x. So 2 into 11x plus 4x, that comes to 30x. Okay. Now that 30x. Now what is the rate here? The rate here is given as 100 per meter. So that we have to multiply it by 30x. So what we get is 75,000. That is the total cost, 75,000 of this plot, of fencing this plot. Okay. So what we have to do is, we have to write 30x equal to, now this 100 goes towards the right side. So it comes in denominator, or we can say that it is dividing on the other side. So these zeros get cancelled. Now this 30 goes to the right. So it comes to in the denominator. This 0 gets cancelled. Okay, 7 plus 5 is 12. So it is divisible by 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 5s are 15. So x equal to 25. Okay, now we have to find out the dimensions of the plot. So x is 25. Then what will be 11x and what will be 4x? That we have to find out. Is equal to 11 into 25. And 4x will be 4 into 25. So 4 into 25 is 100. And 25 on the 25. 25 on the 25, 26, 27. 275. So 275 meters is the length and 100 meters is the breadth of the rectangular plot. So this is my answer. Okay. So we move to question number 9. Question number 9 says, a grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter. He is also 54 years older than her. Find their present ages. Okay, so what we have to do in such questions is we have to assume one of the ages to be x. Okay, so here I am taking granddaughter's age as x and grandfather's age as 10x, because it's given in the question that grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter. So granddaughter is x and grandfather's age is 10x. Now further they have written he is also 54 years older than her. 54 years older than her. So 10x minus x equal to 54. So very simple equation. Now here this becomes 9x equal to 54. X equal to 54 upon 9. So 9 is a 9. 9 6 is 54. X equal to 6. So granddaughter's age is 6. Now grandfather's age will be 10x. So that will be 10 into 6. That is 60. So we get an answer very easily in such questions. Granddaughter's age is 6. And grandfather's age is 60. So this is our answer. Thank you. So like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you in the next class.